In this video, we will be going over 5 foundational exercises for rotator cuff rehabilitation. Our goal with each of these is to cause muscle fatigue while avoiding muscle pain. First, external rotation strengthening. These exercises target the rotator cuff directly. The key here is to keep your elbows close to your ribs. Movements should be slow and controlled. Each of these exercises should be performed for 12 reps and then repeated for a total of 3 sets. For greater resistance, the band can be doubled on itself. This exercise can also be performed with a weight by resting your elbow on your knee, or by sidelining external rotation. This is done by lying on your side, keeping your elbow bent and close to your body, and rotating your arm upward. Again, 3 sets of 12 reps. This should be performed 3 times per week. Second, shoulder abduction strengthening. This exercise targets movement and control of the arm away from the body. Scaption raises are performed by lifting the arms at 30 to 45 angle in front of you. Thumbs up. Raise just above shoulder height. Shorten range of motion early on if painful. Third, posterior shoulder and upper back strengthening. These exercises are known as I's, T's, and Y's. These can be performed prone on a bench or floor with weights, or in the standing position with a band. For each of these movements, extend the arms fully and focus on slow, controlled movements. Prone T raises can be done on the bench or the floor. These are performed by extending the arms to the sides, thumbs up or palms down. Add resistance when ready. For Y raises, start in a similar position, arms angled overhead in a Y shape or straight in front, or I. Fourth, internal rotation mobility. Start with your hands behind your back and slowly rotate them around to the front, keeping the hands distant from the body, and rotating the shoulders slowly until the arms extend forward with the palms facing up. Over time, weight can be added. The sleeper stretch is performed by laying on the target side and extending the arm away from the body at a 90-degree angle and slowly rotating the palm toward the floor, holding the stretch for 30 seconds. Fifth, shoulder protraction and stability. These movements focus on serratus anterior and core stability. For this exercise, the high plank or incline plank may be performed. Engage the rotator cuff muscles by pushing the floor away, keeping a flat back. Shoulder taps may be added. Perform 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds 3 times per week. Final thoughts. Rehab takes time. The key is be consistent, adjust based on tolerance, and progress gradually. Shoulder rehab doesn't have to be complicated, but it should be targeted and purposeful. Good luck.